JSON is standard format for information exchange in REST API, in messaging queue Kafka, in NoSQL databases, in UI technology like React and AngularJS. So many times you need to convert one JSON into another JSON. Consider your REST API is serving this information, user ID and name, but your UI is expecting something else like this. ID should be placed under user ID and name should be placed under username under user info node. So you need to convert this JSON into this JSON. One way to do this is an old way like JSON to XML. You will convert first JSON into XML, then you will use XSLT to convert this XML into a required XML, then you will convert back to JSON. This is input, converted XML, XSLT, then transformed XML, and then converted back to JSON. So you get old JSON to new JSON. But there is a very easy and smart way. Direct JSON to JSON transform. You can do direct JSON to new JSON, required JSON using JOLT. You just have to provide a JOLT spec and JOLT will work for you and convert this JSON to this JSON. Let's see in detail. This is JSON input. You have to provide JOLT spec. There you will just specify that whatever value is under ID that you pick up and put it under user ID. So it will create a user ID node and place the same value there. Whatever is written into name, create a username node under user info node and place the same value. So it will first create a user info and then username and place the same value there. This is so simple, clean. So Jolt is simple, maintainable, high performance. I have observed that thousands of lines of JSON are transformed in a second. It is very scalable. Go to udemy.com, then search Jolt. You will find my course here. I have explained everything about Jolt: introduction, core concept, a use of special character, operations in a Jolt, and advanced concept. Everything.